How to find recently watched videos on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to find recently watched videos on TikTok. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the TikTok app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the profile section, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now from here, you can just tap on the settings and privacy. And after that, you can simply scroll down and tap on activity center. And now here in this section, you can just tap on the option labeled as watch history, and now here in this section you'll be able to watch all the videos that you have watched recently. And that's it with this. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.